Are you tired of losing money trading meme coins every single time? Well, I am too, and that's why I stopped trading and I started launching. That single shift has changed everything for me because now I've made millions of dollars all from launching meme coins. Now, I used to make a lot of money from trading meme coins. I made a lot of money on the Trump coin, the Diddy coin. There's a bunch of different coins that I made money off. Nowadays, bro, it's completely dead and it's really fucking hard to make money from trading coins. That is why I started deving, okay? Because now every single person who buys inside a coin goes to your pockets when you launch the coin, bro, okay? Now, when you launch a coin, you control everything, okay? Not someone else, you control it to yourself, okay? And by the way, you have nothing to lose by launching because, bro, creating a coin costs literally $0, okay? And even if you only get 1 or 2 buys, that is still profit, bro, okay? No matter what, you will be in profit, and that is why I switched to deving meme coins. I will even do a live example into this video, okay, to show you guys how it works and how much I make, okay? So keep watching, bro. You guys do not want to miss this video. Actually, if you're tired of losing money, bro, and you want to make a change for yourself, keep watching. And by the way, bro, this entire content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not giving financial advice out. It is all fake cap. Now, most people use Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins, but let me tell you why you do not want to be launching your coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's so fucking tacky. It's so fucking ass. Like, crit coin name, blah, blah, blah. It's so fucking ass, right? Second of all, you do not control your own liquidity. And third of all, your coin has to reach a $55,000 market cap for it to migrate to the Raydium DEX, which takes too much luck and it's almost impossible because it's oversaturated. That is why you have to be using createcoins.io, because this launchpad, okay, launches all your coins straight to Raydium and skips the entire bonding curve, so your coin will reach the Raydium DEX immediately and it will be viewed to a bunch of people fucking instantly. So if you want to get real momentum, real volume, and a bunch of buyers in your coins, bro, okay, use createcoins.io. Now here's how to make a meme coin on this launchpad. You can either build your own coin, right? So basically you have to find a narrative for that meme coin. Go on X, right? Go on Reddit, go on Discord, I don't know, bro. Just find some type of news, like some political joke, something viral, just anything, right? And then go to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running. But the second method is actually my favorite shortcut and the most profitable option, and that's the copy trading coins tab right here. Why? Because these coins already have hype and volume, which means if you copy them, well, your copy will get instant buyers and a bunch of profits in your fucking coin. Basically, it's called vamping, but yeah, I would highly recommend to copy coins. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and launch a meme coin right now. Live in front of you guys, I will be copying a coin, and you guys will see with me how much I make in profits by the end of this launch. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Your dev wallet. Click on refresh list and now look for a coin. I will be copying the Chunk coin. I don't know, it just caught my attention, right? Yeah. So when you want to copy a coin, click on create coin. Then obviously in the block from Phantom, it's completely fucking normal and safe. Click on proceed, confirm, or understand, then click on confirm, and now the coin should be copied. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We're basically creating the liquidity pool so people can buy and sell your coin on Raydium instantly, right? Now this is what opens the market up and allows real volume to come in, and you control everything since you are creating it yourself. Now just 2 simple steps. Token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens of the supply to the public. 40 token B. This is your initial buy-in into your own coin. You are not losing this money. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when the liquidity gets removed, that SOL comes back to you. Okay, so we have nothing to lose. It's simply the first initial buy. Think of it as activating your market, not spending money. I will be putting 0.3 SOL, 31 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and you will get this back later. Click on create pool, and obviously you just wait. Boom, click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the chunk coin is live. Your profits are right here. And if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits, you guys can see that we just made $130 on the fucking coin. Okay, it's live, and we just got $126 in buys in a couple seconds. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin real quick. And now the coin is live. Okay, you guys can see that we're already getting like a shit ton of buyers. More and more people are going to start viewing and just seeing the coin on the blockchain, and they are going to buy in. Okay, for example, if 1,000 people see your coin and 1% converts, that is 10 buyers in your coin. And this is why, oh my god, we're getting so many fucking buys, and this is why deving meme coins is so profitable, because we created this coin for completely nothing, and now we're seeing results right here. Now, oh my god, $33, 1.9k market cap. Now it's time to just wait, and when the market cap is high, that is when you dump the coin. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back, okay, and as you guys can see, this coin is absolutely mooning, and this is why deving coins is my specialty, because bro, we're literally, bro, we're up like a couple $1,000, maybe 2,000 if I had to guess. Anyways, come back to createcoins.io real quick, and obviously bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, we're up $1.6 thousand in profits, which is not too shabby. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the cob, okay, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13 Solana. Click on confirm. And bang! That is exactly how you dev meme coin step by step and make $1.6 thousand, for example, right? And if I open my wallet, you guys can see that I just received $1.62 thousand straight inside my Phantom wallet, okay? If you want to connect with a community that is like-minded, join my Discord down below, join my Telegram, bro, DM me there. Let's all connect and go to createcoins.io to launch your first meme coin.